In this video, I'll show you how to blur background in CapCut. This video is only for educational purposes, so make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Open up your CapCut. If there's a part of your video you love to blur out the background for some reasons and for some preferences, I'm going to show you what you need to do. Okay, let's say if you love to blur out this first segment part of this video, just come on here and select the preferred size you want to blur out. So what you need to just tap on it, click on split. So once you have clicked on split, what you need to do is click on effects. So click on video effects. So come on here and type in blur. So this is it from my recent searches. So this is blur option. So I'm going to wait for it to load up because you'll be needing this to be able to blur your background. So I'm going to click on this first option, select it. So you can be able to come on here and select the size or the video length of how you want it to be blurred. So once you click on this, you can see our video background is currently blurred out. Like this segment I just selected is currently blurred out. So but the remaining part of the video is okay and fine. So if you love to use this, it's going to really help you out. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you on the very next video.